Okay, I'm live. Oh my gosh. Okay, how's it going, guys? So if you're on my live like a few minutes ago, I'm sorry about that. There was no sound. I apologize. So I'm using this new program that allows me to have a screen capture and then have my face on the side. If you guys want that, but so sorry about that. If you couldn't hear me, I'm redoing the whole video, and yeah, basically talking about our new membership group and how everything's working and the feedback we've gotten. We've only been live 5 days, so we launched Tuesday, and it's been good. I mean, people are liking the workouts, they're liking the meal plans. Alicia added some really cool things like a cookbook, and it's like an alternative guide. So you get the meal plan, you don't like something on there, then the cookbook's gonna give you like more options and more choices for for that week. And then we're always adding more to that. Let me see who's online real quick. Let me see here. Give me 1 second. All right. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. What's everyone up to today? I'm a little bummed out. My Packers were they're out of the playoffs, but oh well, that's that. But other than that, it's been a good Sunday. Just went to church, and then we just been working on the membership site, guys. So we're just adding more to it. We're always adding more to it, and then let's see here. Let me see who's online here. Okay, cool. We got some people online. Yeah, if you guys were on earlier, I had no sound for some reason, so I got sound now. Let's see. You guys can hear me now, right? Make sure you can hear me now. I want to make sure. If you can hear me, just say you can hear me, because I want to make sure you can hear me this time. But cool. All right. Looks like we got some people on right now. Okay, so yeah, just talking about the membership program. So if you wanted to sign up or check out or see more info, you can go to, if you can see here, you go to lionspack.com/, you can do opt-in page, or you can do Conquer as well, which is actually easier. So you go to there, and then this is the opt-in page, which is basically just the overview page. It gives you everything we have. So like I said, we're going to do weekly workouts. You're going to get a workout every single week. We give you videos on how to execute every single movement, so you can see here. And then we do a weekly meal plan. We give you a meal plan every single week. You're not getting the same plan every week like a lot of other meal plans you'll get. This is a totally different plan every week. And then you'll have access to our private membership group on Facebook. And let's see here. We have, what else do we got? We have recipes that we're going to be giving you guys. We have a grocery list. So, we give you a meal plan. We give you the recipes on how to cook everything. And then not only that, we give you a grocery list. So, you're at the store and you know exactly what to get. You don't have to think about that. You don't have to write it down. You just go to the store, you look at the grocery list, you buy everything on there, cook it up, done. So that's the grocery list. And then, like I said, the weekly workout plans. So yeah, that's what we offer, and we're still offering this plan for, here, I'll go to the next page. So once you get on the lionpack.com/conquer, then you're just going to want to hit get started. You can check out the video if you'd like. You just hit get started, enter your email, and then you go to this page, and it's going to give you a few different options here. So you have the fat trimmer option. So if you're looking to lose weight, looking to lose fat around the midsection, this is a great option for you. But it allows you to gain muscle as well. So the way I designed the program is, yes, you'll be losing weight, but you'll also be gaining muscle at the same time. The way I do the cardio, the way I do the workouts, they're up. You're always doing something. You're not waiting too much in between. So you'll really like the workouts. I promise you that. The meal plans are really good. Alicia does the meal planning, and she put some really cool stuff in there. I'll kind of show you a sneak peek this week. So basically, you pick your option there, your fat trimmer, your muscle builder if you're doing that. You can do fat trimmer and muscle builder if you'd like. That's that option there. Did I say fat builder? Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't think you want to do that. Fat building. But anyways, all right, cool. So that's that. You pick your option, and then enter your info. And then if you want, you can add the restaurant alternative guide. It's just a one-time payment of $9.99. And that's just basically, so if you're at a restaurant and you're trying to eat healthy, we give you options on like what you can eat at those restaurants. So if it's a Mexican restaurant, if it's Italian, it's really cool. You guys would like that. So that's only $10 one time. You don't have to pay monthly for that. So you just enter your credit card information, and then after this page, you're going to create a login, which is this page here. So this is our membership site right here. This is the site. So once you get on here, we kind of go over some of the rules, how to get into the, the Facebook group, our Instagram, just stuff like that. We have rules and how everything works in more detail, and that's the home page. And now for the meal plans, whatever option you chose. So if you did the fat trimmer or if you did the muscle builder, you would have, whatever you paid for. Unless you did both, then you would have both options. But let's just say, for example, if you did fat trimmer, you're going to get a plan every single week. So this is this week here. And then we give you a new meal plan every Friday. That way, we do it Friday because you can, grocery shop, you can meal prep, figure all that out before Sunday, and then by Monday, you can have everything done. So that's why we did that. So you're gonna get a new meal plan and workout plan every Friday. And then, so you click this. I'm gonna stop real quick just to see if there's any questions because I can't see your guys' comments right now. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and write it in right now, and then I'll answer those real quick, and then I'll move on. So I'm going to answer some questions now if you guys have any. Let's see here. Karen, he has sound. Yeah, sorry about that, Karen. I'm using this new program to do live videos, so yeah, sorry about that. Let's see here. Let's see. You guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them in. Okay, no questions so far. I will move on then. Okay. Cool. All right, so where was I? We were talking about, oh yeah, so you click your meal plan option, so for this week, and then we're going to give you a graphic, just a quick overview of the meal plan, and then we give you the exact meal plan here with pictures and how to cook it, everything there. So that's that week, and then for example, so that's that, and then for the workout plan, you're going to have a 5-day plan and then a 3-day plan. So we give you the exact workouts for that week. So if you can only work out 5 days a week, you're going to get on the plan that says 5-day. And if you can only work out 3 days, you do the 3-day plan. And so we just kind of combine the workouts to accommodate the 3-day plan. So for example, let's do a 5-day. Let's just say you're going to do legs and cardio. So you click that day. And then we give you the whole workout here, just an overview, and then we go into detail on the actual ride out here. We give you detail on the tempo, we give you the rest in between, the superset. We go in pretty good detail on that. And then we give you the videos on how to do everything. So if there's something you don't know how to do, we're gonna give you the exact videos on everything. So pretty cool. So far, people are loving the workouts. They're loving the meal plans. People are already, getting sore from it. And we have a pretty good amount of signups so far, guys. If you're interested, I think I left a comment. Or let's see here. I left a yes. So you see here, lionspack.com/conquer. You can go ahead and sign up there if you're interested. Let's see here. And then if you have any more questions, guys, just leave a comment or message me. I'd love to help you out. I mean, I'll even call you if you have any questions. So yeah, let's see here. Facebook page is private. Yeah, Facebook page is definitely private. It's only for those who purchased the program, and it's a really cool group. You guys will love the group, so definitely. Let's see here. Karen said, food is delicious. Thank you, Karen. I'm glad you're liking everything so far. How are the workouts? You guys liking the workouts? Let's see. Oh, I like that lion picture. Is that oh, that's Angela. What's up, Angela? How you doing, man? Sweet. Okay. So hopefully everything made sense. Let's see here. I'm going to get off now, but if you guys have any more questions, then just let me know. Message me, and I'd love to help you out. Karen said the workouts are killer. Awesome. Yeah, we'll give you a new workout and a new meal plan next week, Karen, so just letting you know. So I'm going to sign off now. Hopefully you guys have a great Sunday. And